Hi dears, nice to meet you again. I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics. The 5th chapter is coordinate geometry. Subtopic is straight lines. The last previous class we see the topic of coordinate axis, that is parallel to x axis and y axis. Then that concept you have to use the sums. So now we see the topic is find the equation of the straight line passing through 5, 7 and is parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis. Next one, equation of the parallel to y axis. How to find the equation of the parallel to y axis? Equation of the line parallel to y axis. So y axis parallel line, how to find that? Now we can draw the parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis. Okay, the equation of the line parallel to y axis, the three types. One is parallel to y axis, the line should be positive, the right side of the y axis, and left side of the y axis is negative values. Then the line lies on the y axis, that is y equal to x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means the line lies on the y axis. Then x equal to c means this is a equation of the straight line parallel to y axis. So here x value is c. So c equal 0 means we get one possibility, that is the line lies on the y axis itself. The line lies on the y axis itself. And next one, c greater than 0. C greater than 0 means c value is positive. Positive side we get right side of the y axis. The line x equal to c lies on the right side of the y axis. Right side of the y axis. The next one, c less than 0. C less than 0 means the value are negative. So negative value means the line left side. So left side, okay, the line x equal to c lies on the left side of the y axis. This is the concept of the parallel to y axis. The first one, equation of the parallel line to x axis, another one equation of the parallel line to y axis. This is the concept of the equation of the parallel line x axis and y axis. Now I will give one example sum. The first sum, find the equation of the straight line passing through 5, 7 and is parallel to x axis. Now we know that the equation of a straight line parallel to x axis, what is the formula? Y equal to b, that's it, super. So now solution, the equation of a equation of a straight line parallel to x axis. What is the equation? Is y equal to b. Now passing through the point is 5 comma 7. So here apply the values. Passing through the point, passing through the point, five comma 7. What is the value of x? X value is 5, y value is 7. So here apply the values x equal to 5 and y equal to 7. So here y value is 7. So we get b equal to 7 because here y value is 7. So substitute the value, y remove and you substitute 7. So b equal to 7. You get b value is 7. Again you substitute the equation of the parallel line. So the equation of the straight line equation of a straight line parallel to x axis. So y equal to 7. This is the equation of the straight line parallel to x axis. Now second row letter parallel to y axis, the same way. So we can find second sum. Solution: the equation of a straight line parallel to y axis, parallel to y axis. So what is the equation of this straight line parallel to y axis? Yes, x equal to c. So here x equal to c. So passing through the point is 5 comma 7. So passing through the point, 5 comma 7. So here x value is 5 and y value is 7. So here substitute the value, we get c equal to x value is 5. So c value is 5. So now again you apply the values, the equation of the straight line equation of a straight line parallel to y axis, we get answer is x equal to 5. So now this is the equation of the straight line parallel to y axis. That's it.